Good day, Ma'am Rachelyn Fernandez. I am Mark Justini B. Good of BECE1C. And for today, I will present to you my answers and its complete solution of our assignment in ES14 Calculus number 5. So, in this assignment, I am asked to find where the curves intersect, draw rough graphs, and compute the area between them. In number one, I am given following the following: y squared is equals x and x equals to 9. So first, we have to find the vertices of this parabola. This is a parabola, by the way. So y squared is equals to x. So basically, we have y is equals to plus minus square root of x. So we can identify that this parabola is opening to the right, and this is the graph where we have the vertical strip over here, and we apply the vertices that we identify. So by that, we can now solve the area. We can now find the area of this equation. So we will use the vertical strip formula, which is a is equals to integral of lower limit a to b, upper y upper minus y lower times dx. We will now plug in the values to our formula, and we have integral of lower limit of 0 and upper limit of 9, square root of x minus negative square root of x dx. And next is we have now first to find the integral of square root of x minus negative square root of x. Then negative times negative is equals positive. So we have integrals of square root of x plus square root of x dx. Then we will combine like terms. That is the square root of x. So we have integral of 2 square root of x dx. Then transform the function. So square root of 2x 1/2 dx. We will get the 2 out of the integral to find the integral of x 1/2. So we have 2 integral of x 1/2 dx. Then applying the power rule formula, we will come up to the answer of 2 times 2 square root of x times x over 3. Then simplify for square root of x times x over 3. By that, we can now find the lower limit. We can now apply the lower limit and the upper limit of the integral. So plug in the values. So we have 4 square root of 9 times 9 over 3 minus 4 square root of 0 times 0 over 3. And to calculate that, we will come up to the result of the area of 36 square units. In number 2, we are given the values of y equals to x squared and y is equals to x squared plus 18x. So we have two parabola here. We will first find the vertices of both parabolas. First is y is equals x squared. To find the x coordinate, we will use the formula of x is equals to negative b over 2a, where our a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 0. That is based on the given values. So plug into the formula. We have x is equals to negative 0 over 2 1 times 1, and basically the answer is the answer to the value of x is equals to 0. Since we have our x, we have now the value of x, we will now easily find the value of y. Okay, so our y is equals to x squared, so our x is equals to 0. The result is y equals 0. So we have now our vertices of this parabola, that is 0 0, and this parabola is opening upward. Next is y is equal to negative x squared plus 18x, where and the same to the what we do in the other function. We will use this formula to find the x coordinate, where x is equals to negative b over 2a, and the value of our a is equals to negative 1, and the value of our b is equals to 18. That is also based on the given function. So and now let's plug in the values in the our formula. So we will come up to x equals to negative 18 over 2 negative 1, and we will come up to the result of x is equals to 9. Since we have now our value of x, we can now find the value of y. So plug in the value of x in ry. So y, which is ry, is equals to negative x squared plus 18x, where x equals to 9. So, and to calculate it, we will come up to the result of 81, and we can now our vertices is now completed. The vertices of this parabola is 9, 81, and note that this parabola is opening downward. Next, we have now our graph, which two parabola combined, and the shaded part is what we will get, the area interest that we will get. So yeah, that is our formula, and we plot this using our vertices. Further, this is we will use the vertical strip to find our area, which is the formula is a is equals to lower limit of a, upper limit of b, y upper minus y lower dx. And we will plug in our values in our formula. So basically that is equals to lower limit of 0, upper limit of 9, because that is we based on our x coordinates of our two parabolas, the lower limit and the upper limit from 0 to 9. So then x squared minus negative x squared plus 18x dx. First we will find the integral of these terms. So integral of x squared plus x squared minus 18x dx. That is y positive. So negative times negative is positive. That is the plus there. Then combine like terms. So integral of 2x squared minus integral of 18x dx. So we will now find, using the power rule formula, we can find the integral of both values. So that is equals to 2x to the power of 3 over 3 minus 9x squared. So by that we can now find we will apply the lower limit and the upper limit of this integral. So 2x cubed over 3 minus 9x to the 9x square, with the lower limit of 0 and the upper limit of 9. So and we will plug into the formula of this. So that is the 2x 9 to 9 cube over 3 minus 9x 9 squared minus 2x 0 cube over 3 minus 9x 0 squared. And to calculate this all, we will come up to the final result, which is negative 243 square units. That will be all. Again, this is Mark Justony B. Good of BECE 1C. God bless and stay safe. Bye.